Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Walmart shoplifters claim they're entitled to steal thousands.
On February 4th, 2025,
Entitled?
officers responded to a call of retail theft at a Walmart, where two individuals claimed they were working alongside loss prevention officers to conduct theft.
Do you have any receipts or anything? Or no? Do you have any receipts?
Pull them up. One of my receipt messages because I've been working for these two for the longest.
Yes, chief.
Oh, okay.
We'll just help with search.
Yeah.
You guys do your thing.
I got the receipts. Your name in here too. You already know.
All right. Well, at this point,
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. What
well, at this point, you guys are going to be detained for
Okay.
suspicion on retail theft. Yep.
Okay, we never walked out the door, so we know the rules.
Well, you passed the last point of purchase.
It wasn't the last point. We was at the first
Right
door.
there.
We know the rules.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to argue with you right now. I'm just going to read you guys' rights.
I'm not gonna argue.
No, we're not arguing with you.
You have the right to stop this interview at any time. Do you understand?
No, but can I say something?
Yes.
All the text messages, they let me come in here and take anything out of
I
here.
don't think so.
Yeah, huh, look. I got the proof, baby. Look.
Do you understand what I
No,
said?
I understand what you're
Okay.
saying, but I'm just letting you know I was able to come in here freely.
No, you are.
So-called that just walked out of here too. I've been coming in
From
here
what
for
we-
years.
from
Yes,
what-
sir. You can scroll down, baby. These, look, no, I have nothing on me.
Just have a seat.
But push the messages. That's all the they told me to come in here to get.
So if we look at the cameras, we're not going to see you guys stuffing your jackets with any merchandise.
No, I have no jackets.
Empty.
That's
That's
all I
not
have.
even our jacket.
That's not our jacket. I don't know who jacket that is. Go through all of them. And when they say item, press it. Yes, I am.
You are? Okay.
Her name's yes, I have nothing. I've been working with these people for years. And he just called me 3 times.
You hear me?
And it's under because, no, ma'am.
Okay.
I have nothing.
You have the footage.
Okay, yeah. I
You have
nothing on me.
the footage.
Press the items.
Stuffing something.
And when it say boss lady, Deborah.
It's the last lady, of course. I'm
Yeah,
the boss lady.
she's boss lady. That's Deborah.
That's right, I am.
And then if you go to my messages, I can tell you, I've been working for them for 2 years.
No, I'm not giving you my seat. You don't have to grab me like that.
You don't really have a choice.
You don't have to grab me like that, though. You're being aggressive for no reason.
You really
I'm
don't
not
have anything on the phone.
fighting. I'm not fighting or hiding anything. So you don't have to do all that.
Okay, well, we're going to look at the footage and we'll determine from there.
I'm not being aggressive. I'm not fighting. I'm not
And if it
arguing.
shuts off, I know
Or
the
none of
code.
that.
You can read the messages.
So you
too.
don't have
Boss
to
lady,
grab
sir.
me like that. Period.
Ladies,
Point
me?
blank.
Yeah, Deborah.
Yep, I'm sure it is, but that's okay.
You see what I'm talking about? You see all the items they tell me to come in here to
I'm
get?
trying to tell you,
Yeah,
Some backing up. And when they had the stuff in the tote, that was done in the apparel section, in the apparel.
I'm not gonna do
And
that.
they never even scanned any of
I'm
this?
not gonna do anything.
Hey, they still had more stuff in here.
And they never scanned any of it?
I know my rights.
So, yeah.
Like
What did they pay
stand right here and I'll show you.
What's that?
What did they pay for?
No, you didn't pay for none of it. They, from what I know, they walked out the door with it.
All of this? Is this all of it?
No, well,
Oh, the carts.
the carts, the 2 carts.
When we walk out the door.
They went through the vestibule.
can I look at your receipt?
They went to the self-scanner.
Good, go ahead. It say because, look the money sign. Go to
They just went to the self-scanner, never scanned, just walked by.
Did they go through the self-checks? Because I didn't go through, I wasn't here.
Get the items. Her too. So I don't know why.
Do you have a receipt for the total?
You know, it's not, that's not okay.
Okay,
That's
so
on them.
I still
They
have
work
more
here. They work
items.
here. Them two work here. We don't work here.
You know what?
I understand that, but that doesn't.
I will take whatever you have.
This is very interesting. Very interesting. I have never seen this excuse before. Or anyone even trying to prove this by showing phones and stuff like that. She's claiming that she works alongside loss prevention, which is, and then they said Deborah, that's the lady in the chair. And she's showing messages? Well, we could debunk this right now, and I'm surprised they didn't yet, which would be easily to, okay, let's call that number and let's see if Deborah's phone rings. Because if that happens, it's a lot bigger than what it's a bigger operation going on here. If what she's saying is true, now do I believe it? No, but it's good to play along, and you know we gotta rule out everything. So the cop is reading through whatever, but an easy fix would be to call that number and see if her phone rings, because she got her phone.
There,
You
so.
can't take nothing on my phone, baby. I pay that phone bill. I'm sworn an officer.
Oh, no, that's
So let me
fine.
know that
You
we
can
have nothing
scroll
to
through
lie
all you want. It's fine.
It's a big cuz with a money sign on it. You call
I got it.
Oh, okay. I got it.
So it looks like they were in Davenport too. And they got a hit there in Davenport for them.
Davenport don't have nothing to do with it.
Almost
What's your first name?
$1,700.
My name is Keisha.
Keisha?
Almost how
What's
much?
your last name?
Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna separate them because they're when we talk to them. So we're gonna ask one to come out here and go from there.
What are you guys doing here?
Them. Like I was trying to explain while she was talking.
Okay.
I have nothing to lie about. They already know what's going on and everything. The crazy thing about it is, they called us. We wouldn't have never been in here. Her name is Deborah, but her name in my phone is Boss Lady. If you scroll through my phone, all that cat food, and sorry, I'm not racist, but they call it people food. So it's like salami, beef. That's all her food. I don't know why she playing dumb. The lady that just took the carts,
Yeah.
I know her too. She's in my phone as well. Identify me as a cousin. Remember I said that's my cousin? His name is Big Cuz. You just went through the phone. He just called me 3 times. I have no reason to lie. I wouldn't have never been in here, and still they called me to come in here. They've been calling us and telling us to do this for the longest. So like I told them, if I'm going down, y'all going down too, because I would never been able to come in here without y'all permission.
Let me get this right.
She right there, she moves people around for us.
I just want to.
No, I'm not aggressive. I'm not aggressive at all, sir. I'm
Not that he's not
fine.
So, you're saying that you got a call from who?
And told us to come here to get the stuff that we got. And that whole stuff that we got. Yes, sir. And I had no reason to lie, or I would have never been over
Pay for
here.
this thing? To pay for the thing?
They don't ever make us pay for these things.
Who is Joe?
Her partner, her too. I got stuff for
Okay,
her too.
so they told you to come in, grab these items,
Yeah, and there's
not to pay,
Not even notify anyone.
no one.
and just to walk out. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, she moves people around for us.
Okay. What does that mean?
Move them around. She's the boss. She can move them around and tell them to go on break. So we can walk out the door. I have no reason to lie.
All right.
You've seen it in my phone. I gave you my phone.
I hear you. All right. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Like sound.
Yes.
Okay.
So what are you guys doing here?
We got a call and said that we were able to come in here. He needed a few things. Well, they needed a few things. Then we could also come in here and get some things for ourselves.
Okay. To come in here and grab some stuff. Are you supposed to pay for that stuff?
I mean, they just was going to waive the door so we can go through and do what we need to do.
Okay, just leave?
Yeah.
Okay, without paying for stuff.
I mean, some stuff we pay for, some stuff they just let us go through there.
Okay. Does this happen often? Yeah.
You see the
Okay.
messages.
How often, roughly?
You went through the phone, right?
Yep, I saw them all.
Okay, so
About that? Okay. When's the last time this happened? When's the last?
we got the phone call today. We just got a phone call.
No, I'm saying before this time. When was the last time it happened?
December.
December? Okay. So would you say it's like once a month or a couple
I
times?
don't know.
Couple times a month?
I don't know.
Is it always just you two? Alright, sounds good. So I got Laisha present and her friend Emerald here. I saw that you called their phone, or Laisha's phone. Okay, what were you telling them?
They was based on a story, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like, well, actually, I just asked for it. I was like, hey, where's Keisha? And she said that Keisha was in the bathroom. So I was like, okay. She was like, you have to call her back. So I was like, okay. Then I called back twice and she didn't answer.
Okay. Alright, because they're saying that you told them to come in here to gather some stuff but not pay for it and walk out?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
The last time I talked to Keisha was January 17th, and I was trying to invite her over for my son's birthday.
Okay. And then you're sending pictures that she was sending you, or you were sending her food items?
Yeah, figured that would get because like we were close.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I haven't talked to her. I'm like, damn. He said, no, I do kicking and hanging out.
Okay.
Really, and stuff like that. So.
No worries. I just want to verify because they're telling us that you and Deborah are the ones who told her to come in here and grab these items and not pay for it.
I put that on my kids. I haven't talked to her since.
No. I saw that you haven't checked. I saw you haven't checked it since January 17th.
Oh, that's fine.
I was about to say, he did already. You putting me behind my back?
Yep. At this point, you're going to be under arrest.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, sorry.
Come on, you over there. No, he walking. Yes, he do. No, he don't.
Both women were charged with felony retail theft and trespassed from the property. The loss prevention officers were never charged with any wrongdoing. Thanks for watching today's video.
Wow. I mean, that's an interesting one. Like I said, that case, you know, just them two having messages, you know, yeah, they may not have been charged because they necessarily didn't walk out there with them or whatever. I don't know what was said in the messages, but why would they have loss prevention's numbers? Like, that in itself is like a lot of red flags, man. A lot of red flags, but you know, I definitely think this one was not like your typical shoplifting case. And they came with a little bit of evidence and some stuff. They definitely had to work some things out and figure it out, get it together. But the cops ended up, they got them together. So anyways, 5 out of 5 from me. Yeah, interesting case, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.